Ooh, are we gonna have some fun today? I've got my oldest son with me. This is Jeb, and he's gonna help me do some pots outside. We're gonna decorate them for Christmas using some Magnolia that he just cut off of one of our Magnolia trees, and we're gonna, oh, that's just water in the back. I thought it was some beer. Then we're gonna drink some beer. Just kidding, we're not doing that. He also cut some stems off of the Photinia that has berries on it that looks very festive. And we're starting out here at a building that we have here in town. And I'm a little bit behind getting these pots ready for Christmas. But it's better late than never, don't you think, Jeb?
Absolutely.
This is my building here in town, and these are the pots that I'm fixing to spruce up for Christmas. And the door, I have a couple of wreaths that I'm going to put on those doors. But, gosh, you know, when you start decorating stuff, time just gets away from you. And I finally got things sort of wrapped up at my house, and now I need to address this. But like we say, better late than never. In this container, Jeb cut down the, it was, no, it wasn't dianthus, what was it? It was vinca, and it was beautiful and very hardy. But this right here is dianthus. We left this, so this will be coming back. And in this pot over here, we kind of had the same thing. And Jeb asked me, he said, this is a busy street, lots of noise. He said, you want me to leave all this green right here? And I said, well, that's weeds. You can just pull those out. But see how it's hard to identify weeds from other things when they're still in little seedling stage. You kind of have to know what you're looking for. And a lot of times I don't know. I don't know what this stuff is. But yeah, I can see how it can get out of hand. Look, that's sedum. You see, that's new sedum. Trying to start. Sedum is hardy. Everybody get you some sedum. Okay, so the pots are looking better. I've got new buds on the wreaths. Now we're gonna green it up.
Say yeah.
You have the snip over here. We're going to start out using Magnolia. Jeb cut us a good bit of this Magnolia, so we're just going to stuff it in the containers and get a good base of greenery going. those are greened out pretty good. Now, I'm going to go in with these branches. It looks like Magnolia, but I believe it's Photinia, and it's got these berries on it.
It is.
Oh, is that? Jeb said that's what it was for sure. He knows.
I looked it up when I was cutting it.
Did you?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yeah, if you can just break them down to give me a stem to like stick in there. Ooh, that is looking so pretty. Do you need the snippers?
Well, maybe not. I don't know what makes it through.
Well, think about what I do with it.
They're right there.
That's pretty berries.
Make sure you add that in.
And this is the finished product. It looks so festive, and it did not cost us anything. I'm all about doing something pretty for nothing.